car rental shop.
May sunset.
Payless. So dahan-dahan muna kami to adjust na yung driving style mo dito.
Left side na road, right side.
Hindi, panahan ko muna yung isa para sundan natin. Okay, sundan natin this one. Okay,
left side din pala siya.
welcome to Jordan. So, saan siya? Diretso. Follow lang tayo, di ba? Straight.
Let's just get ano.
Dito sa kabila.
Huh? Huh?
Huh?
Tara, here. Kahit saan naman siguro.
Kahit saan na, no?
Why is he stopping?
Wala naman sigurong bayad. It's just being near record. Automated exit.
Ang ganda ng sunset.
Wala ba?
Yeah.
Ayun.
Perfect.
Takot naman.
You're driving towards the sunset.
Okay, so timing yung pa namin
It's
sunset.
Red. Ano yun? Lumilipad. This place great.
Grabe.
Ooh, so
Ganda.
nice. Very nice.
Ayan. So drive so lang. Then straight.
Virgin traffic.
May curve siya.
We are moving towards. Ito yung bus stations pala.
Galing naman ang labas natin.
Ganda.
So,
Okay, we're going.
isunod tayo dito sa curve.
Okay, let's go around the curve and straight ahead. Navigation lang yan, di ba? I don't need there.
Yeah, sila pa. Chill lang tayo.
Nice, look at that. Ganda ng sun.
Grabe.
Pag-grab ng photo, hindi ako ng photo. Walang parking area, ang layo. Bawa naman trees nila. Harsh weather conditions. Welcome to Jordan.
Nice.
Pwede
Ganda
pick upin
naman.
si RJ mamaya. Patikin natin to.
Sige.
Para practice.
Gabi. So we're going out of the Alea, no? Alea? Kung Bisaya ka, Alea? Oo. Alea. Grabe.
Careful. It's 3 na. Okay na ta? A little bit longer.
Okay na? Okay na.
It's another roundabout.
Ikaw na? Ikaw 3 minutes.
Maybe after this roundabout.
Okay. Dito tayo sa slow lane pa tayo. Para walang issue.
Huh? Fast lane ba inside?
Always. Again.
Another roundabout. Go straight ahead. This goes to the aircraft maintenance cargo service. Sunset!
Wow,
Super
maganda.
nice! Okay. Ooh, ganda.
Ganda ng sunset, oh.